I have created this application in Python using the Plotly Dash library. This application is connected to the real-time database of Google Firebase, and then this database is connected to the microcontroller Nodemcu ESP8266. Currently I have attached with these two buttons two light bulbs, and there is also connected to the Nodemcu microcontroller DHT11 sensor, so we can observe the current room temperature. So when I turn this button on, we see here light is on, and when I connect this button on, so the second button is on. You also see here there is a changes in the database. If I turn off this, so the second bulb is off. We can also unplug the second bulb, and if we attach the socket and connect the electric heater and we set the room temperature, suppose we set 20. So we also have more customization option using this library Plotly Dash. So when temperature reaches to 20 degrees Celsius, so this button will automatically off. So in this way we can easily create IoT applications in Python using the Plotly Dash library.